Welcome to Azores Islands.
Continue through your sequence of sightings, and then we'll analyze the data afterwards.
Over. Welcome to Azores Islands.
All passengers and cabin crew should now be seated with their seatbelts securely fastened. The cabin lights will remain dim for landing.
Welcome to Azores. Mother Nature has created a land, full of natural beauty, ready to be explored, in the blue immensity of the Atlantic Ocean, the Azores. The archipelago of the Azores is located in the middle of the northern hemisphere of the Atlantic Ocean. Its main industries are agriculture, dairy farming, livestock, fishing, and tourism, which is becoming the major service activity in the region. The Azores Islands are best known for whale and dolphin watching. The mild weather, warm water, and variety of the coastline also make the Azores a year-round destination for water sports. Daytime temperatures normally fluctuate between 16 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius, depending on season. The climate of the Azores is very mild for such a northerly location, being influenced by its distance from the continents and by the passing Gulf Stream. Welcome to Azores.
Welcome to Azores Islands. Welcome to Azores. Welcome to Azores Islands.
Welcome to Azores.
Welcome to Azores Islands.